Given slope of a line is equal to 1 over 2, rise over run, and the y-intercept, the point where it crosses the y-axis, is the ordered pair 0, comma b, which is 0, 4 in this case. In other words, the b value is 4. Find the equation of the line and make sure your answer is written in y equals mx plus b form. Now there are two ways to answer this question, and you can use whichever way you prefer. Let's do method A. Method A uses what we call the point slope form of a line. It's the formula y minus y sub 1 equals m parenthesis x minus x sub 1. Now the really cool thing about this formula is that it works if you're given a slope of a line and any point that lives on the line. I don't care what that point is. If it lives on the line, x sub 1, y sub 1, you can use it with this equation to get the equation of the line. So we're going to start with letting the slope m equal 1/2, and the x sub 1, y sub 1 is the given point 0, comma 4. Plug those values into the cloud formula y minus 4 equals 1/2 times x minus 0. And now we're going to get this answer into the proper form that they asked for at the end, y equals mx plus b. First, I'd like to get rid of the fractions because I never like working with fractions in equations. So I multiply both sides by the least common denominator, which is 2. I need to distribute it across the left side and cancel it on the right side. I get 2y minus 8 equals 1 times x minus 0. Simplifying, that's 2y minus 8 equals x. Move the 8 over to isolate the y term. 2y equals x plus 8. And now just get rid of the coefficient of y by dividing everything individually by 2. Don't just divide the whole right side by 2. Divide each of the terms by 2 to get this proper form. So our answer in slope-intercept form is y equals 1/2 times x plus 4. Okay, so that was using the equation called the point slope form of a line. Now let's try method B. Method B is where we're going to use the y equals m times x plus b. That's called the slope-intercept form. And why is it called that? Because the b value is the y-coordinate of the y-intercept, 0, comma b. Now, why can we use this formula for this problem? We may use this formula because we were given the slope and b. If we're given b, it's cool. If we're not given 0, comma b, we can't use it. So the ordered pair they give you better have a 0 in the x position. Otherwise, you don't know what b is, and you have to use the other method. Okay, so here we have the b. So m equals 1/2 and b is equal to 4 in the ordered pair 0, comma b equals 0, comma 4. Plug those values into the cloud equation. Y equals m is 1/2 times x plus the b value 4, and we're finished. And look at that. We got the same answer, but it was so much faster to use method B. And that's why so many people are tempted to do this problem using method B, even when you're not given the y-intercept. If you don't have a 0 in that x position, you cannot use method B. You have to use method A. So be very cautious about that, because that could really spoil your test if you use the wrong formula.